Okay guys, what's up? It's your boy Polish Bullet, and today we got another recall, guys. And this time it's about high fuel pressure pump, so HPFP in short. We already know that all the high pressure fuel pumps suck in general, even on stock cars, since the beginning of Elantra N and Kona N. So yeah, I mean, finally they addressed it. This time it's a fuel control valve, so supposedly it wears a little bit too much, and letting the gas going inside the cylinders, basically leaking, flooding the system. So sometimes maybe when you want to step on it, leave the lights, or you are on an intersection or something like that, you might lose a little bit of power in the beginning, or might be like a hesitation. So, and this affects basically all Konas, Elantra Ns 22 and 23. I know some of the guys check their VIN on Carfax or Hyundai website, and the Elantra 23s, I think it was like a couple people, and they said they didn't have a recall. So I don't really know what's going on over there, but it's basically all the 22s and 23s and some Velasters. I don't know exactly which year is it, but I know probably all the Velasters. I don't think they change fuel pump mid-run or something like that, you know what I mean? So I already see the comments coming from Honda boys and maybe Toyota boys, like, oh my god, Hyundai sucks, Polish Bullet, you guys suck, you know what I mean? Already see keyboard warriors doing their thing, you know what I mean? But I mean, it is what it is, but so far they don't really have a remedy for it. So they say you might go to a dealer for some kind of ECU revision or something, but honestly, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't matter if it's Hyundai, Toyota, Honda, whatever dealer, whatever brand. I mean, I hate when they do that. When there's a problem with a certain part, let's say high pressure fuel pump in this case, and all they're gonna do is some kind of ECU adjustment, and then they know the part is wearing out, prematurely or something. They should just replace the pump and that's it, right? Same like with this. I remember the recall with the DCT. That was so, for me, it's bizarre. Basically, the oil pump inside the DCT transmission, there was a problem where I don't remember the exact details, but there was a problem with it. So instead of like replacing the part that is faulty, they do all those ECU adjustments and stuff like that. I don't know. For me, it's kind of stupid, and it doesn't matter what brand is it. Okay, I don't care. So I'm not really brand loyal. I just got Elantra N and I love it. That's it. So, but yeah, they say they're gonna replace the fuel pump for, I guess, another stock one. But in my opinion, we already know the pump sucks, right? You put a little bit more boost in it or something, and it's already lacking on fuel and stuff like that. So I think what should they do is at least go with the GTA fuel pump, you know what I mean? The one that everybody uses to upgrade their HPFP, because it gives you a little bit more room, for tuning purposes and stuff. So, and I know what you think, Polish Bullet for president, right? I'm just kidding. No, I know it's not that easy, I'm sure, but I think they should just, for these cars, I don't know, it seems like the fuel pump we got is like already like maxed out with the stock tune. So in my opinion, they should just upgrade to GTA fuel pump or something similar. Maybe they're working on something in the background, I don't know, but there should be something like that, honestly, because it's kind of stupid. We have to play with high pressure fuel pumps and everything if you want to raise the boost by 3 psi, kind of, you know what I mean? Even me, with my steel and piggyback, I already got fuel cuts, So, and I'm not pushing some crazy boost or nothing like that. So I think they should work on that for sure. And if they actually change it, they should change it for something like a upgraded fuel pump, kind of like a GTA. So I mean, what can I say? It is what it is, right? We just gotta live with it. And yeah, Honda boys, Toyota guys, they're gonna come at me. I already see those comments. Seriously, you guys suck. Hyundai can make you can do 50,000 miles on your car or nothing like that. I already got 46 and a half. Okay, so and those are usually people who got like FK8 Honda 2020 with 10,000 miles or 15,000 miles. They barely drive it, you know what I mean? It's okay. It is. I mean, part of being a car enthusiast, I guess. So yeah, guys, I just want to inform you about that. If you don't know, go to Hyundai or Carfax or whatever website you want to use to check your VIN number. If you got recall on your 22 or 23 Kona, Elantra N, you can check your Veloster obviously too. Yeah, something to think about. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, guys. We just gotta live with it, right? But that sweet 100,000 mile 10-year warranty coming to clutch in some situations. So thank you guys for watching. Just a quick update, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.